Hey, thanks for joining me. My name is Harrison from National Business Systems, or also known as the Cash Register Guys. Today I'd like to show you a system called Cash Register Express, or sometimes people refer to it as PC America. Cash Register Express is a very popular system for people who need a robust inventory management system. It's reliable and it's quick to use. Cash Register Express is very popular for convenience, liquor, tobacco, and even small grocery stores. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to ring up a product here. Ringing up a product is real simple, as easy as just scanning the product and you see it comes up on screen. Otherwise, we can use the touch screen to ring up product. This would be for products that don't have a UPC code on it, or maybe the UPC is just very tough to scan sometimes. We can categorize them here on the screen and just easily ring them up. You can go ahead and you can select an item and do a quantity change. Allows you to just quickly and easily change that quantity instead of scanning the item multiple times. We can also do discounts here on the fly. Again, assuming I have permission to do that, as discounts are password protected. The system does have customer tracking, so it allows you to enter in and track your customers. More importantly, loyalty with those customers. So you can incentivize your customers to come back to your store time and time again with promotions to bring them back through the door. We'll go ahead and pay this transaction out. And as you see, we have some quick tender keys here down on the bottom. Or we can also integrate credit card. With integrated credit card, you're typically going to have a customer facing PIN pad where the system's going to send the total to the PIN pad all automatically. So your cashiers are not punching in that amount again every single transaction. So we're going to go ahead and go into inventory management here. We're just going to go into our back office side of things and select inventory maintenance. And this is our inventory management screen. We can either add a new item in here, or we can edit an existing item just by simply scanning the product or searching for it by name. As you see, the system can track your costs, the price that you sell it for. You can flag the item to check ID for age verification, including we can scan the IDs, and you can flag the item as food stamp eligible. Receiving inventory can be as easy as just hitting Instant PO and entering in the amount, and you see it updates our stock on hand. Otherwise, you can go into ordering info and you can define your reorder quantities, which allows you to say, hey, here's what the minimum I want to have on hand, and when I hit that minimum, I want to reorder X amount more to replenish my inventory. This is just a great time saver that allows you to define what those ordering thresholds are, so you're not spending all your time purchasing and receiving. We'll go ahead and go into purchasing here, and as you can see, it shows any open purchase orders. So we'll just go ahead and we'll hit add to add a new purchase order. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and select our vendor, and then we're going to hit the reorder low stock items. And what that does is that tells the system to go through and check all of my inventory for that vendor and see what is low based off of the reorder quantities that I've entered in. See what's low and then give me a suggested order quantity. Now, if you find that the certain product is moving quicker than normal or maybe moving slower than normal, I can just come in here and I can adjust that to meet your customer demands. Otherwise, once I'm all done, I can go ahead and save this, and it's going to ask me if I want to print or email a copy of this PO. So a great feature of this system is you can email the purchase orders all automatically to your vendors. Again, just another time saver. Thanks again for joining me with this general overview of Cash Register Express. We would love to schedule a one-on-one remote demo with you. Give us a call at 1-800-863-2274 or visit us on the web at cashregisterguys.com.